Presenting the AMA Motorcycle Hall of Fame ring tonight to Ed Lojak, his multi-time Score Baja and Best in the Desert champion, three-time ISDE medalist, and multi-time AMA champion, Hall of Fame member Scott Harden.
They are both accompanied by AMA board member Ken Ford, who chairs the AMA Hall of Fame committee.
Ed Lojak, in recognition of your 3 AMA Hare Scrambles national championships, your 6 Grand National Cross Country Championships, and your racing accomplishments in the International 6 Days Enduro, it is my great honor to induct you into the American Motorcyclist Association Motorcycle Hall of Fame. Congratulations.
Yeah!
Thank you. Yeah. I would. Thank you. I would first like to thank the AMA members who voted. They say the greatest honor is the respect of your peers, and for that I am grateful. To the Coombs family, Big Dave, Rita, Carrie, Davey, and Timmy, your involvement in the off-road racing is unmatched. Your family has transformed off-road racing from the old hand-punch tickets duct taped to our handlebars, now straight into our living rooms with Racer TV. It shows what vision and hard work can do. There are a few people I'd like to mention. Frank Gallo, Larry Rossler. Had a lot of respect for both of them on and off the track. I'd like to thank Husqvarna Motorcycles and Dick Burleson, Yamaha and Dennis McNeil, Bevo Forte, and Larry Mills with DP Brakes for the support over the years. My mechanic, Tim Christie. Timmy is still with me today. Thanks, Timmy. My mom, dad, brothers, sisters for their support. Also, thank you to my children, Jessica, Eddie, and Ryan. I must thank the 2 most important people in my racing career, my uncles, Ron and Joe Lojak. These men provided so many opportunities to me and my family. They started our family in racing. They had the love for motorcycles that to this day is still in our blood. Words can't express the gratitude and respect that I have for these 2 men. They started not only me, but countless others who have ridden out of our family shop. I share this award with both of you tonight. Thank you.